10 surprising foods that increase testosterone naturally. Testosterone, often associated with masculinity, plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including muscle mass development, bone density maintenance, libido regulation, and overall vitality. While testosterone levels naturally decline with age, certain dietary choices can influence hormone production and help maintain optimal levels. In this article, we'll explore 10 surprising foods that have been shown to increase testosterone levels naturally, promoting vitality and overall well-being. Number 1. Tuna. Tuna is rich in vitamin D, a nutrient that has been linked to testosterone production. Research suggests that adequate vitamin D levels are associated with higher testosterone levels, making tuna a valuable addition to your diet for hormonal health. Number 2. Oysters. Oysters are renowned for their aphrodisiac properties, but they also offer significant benefits for testosterone production. Oysters are packed with zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone synthesis. Incorporating oysters into your diet can help support healthy testosterone levels and enhance libido. Number 3. Pomegranates. Pomegranates are loaded with antioxidants, including ellagic acid, which has been shown to increase testosterone levels. Drinking pomegranate juice or consuming fresh pomegranate seeds regularly may help boost testosterone production and improve overall health. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound known for its numerous health benefits, including potential testosterone-boosting effects. Studies have suggested that garlic supplementation may help increase testosterone levels and improve reproductive health in men. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a critical role in testosterone production. Consuming magnesium-rich foods regularly can help support healthy testosterone levels and promote overall vitality. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals essential for overall health. They are also a rich source of cholesterol, which serves as a precursor to testosterone synthesis. Including eggs in your diet can provide the building blocks necessary for optimal testosterone production. Number 7. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium, a mineral that supports testosterone production and sperm health. Selenium acts as an antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage and promoting hormonal balance. Number 8. Ginger. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Some research suggests that ginger supplementation may help increase testosterone levels and improve reproductive function in men. Number 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which have been associated with higher testosterone levels. Including olive oil in your diet as a healthy fat source can help support hormonal health and overall well-being. Number 10. Honey. Honey is not only a natural sweetener, but also contains boron, a mineral that has been linked to increased testosterone levels. Consuming honey in moderation may help promote hormonal balance and enhance vitality. Incorporating these 10 surprising foods into your diet can provide valuable nutrients and compounds that support testosterone production and overall hormonal health. However, it's essential to consume them as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Additionally, individual responses to dietary changes may vary, so it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary adjustments, especially if you have underlying health conditions or concerns. With mindful dietary choices and lifestyle habits, you can naturally boost testosterone levels and enhance vitality for optimal health and well-being.